Safeguarding is everybody's responsibility, and we are really grateful for all the hard work that you guys do in your church communities to help make the church in Wales a safe community for all.
I'm Griffiths, I'm the Director of Safeguarding. As such, I lead the Provincial Safeguarding Team, the PST. The PST are here to help in respect of safeguarding, and we cover certain roles and responsibilities across the province as a whole, so that's everywhere within the Church in Wales, across Wales.
Hi, I'm Wendy Lewin. I'm Safeguarding Manager for the Church in Wales, and my role is to oversee all of the casework within the Church in Wales. I manage the Provincial Safeguarding Officers that cover your diocese.
I'm Emma Layton-Jones. I lead the engagement team. We're here to help you at a really local level, implement risk assessments, make sure you understand the policy and the procedures effectively, and put them into practice.
The Provincial Safeguarding Officers are there for you to contact whenever you have a concern. They will help you navigate a pathway. They will help assess risk. They will liaise with any statutory agencies, and they will give you advice on what is best to do with the concern that you have.
So a lot of our work is about best practice, providing advice and guidance.